Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. The CA classroom does not just stop with quality education and test series. We go above and beyond. Even after you clear, we want to give the support that we can, and that is the reason why we give articleship placement also attempt on attempt, guys. This time we've spoken to 10 plus firms for the placement by the CA classroom team. In this video, I will talk about these firms and answers to all these questions. Where is it? And also success meet for all of you who have been benefited because of our classes or lectures or YouTube videos predominantly. I will come to the success meet a little later, guys. Now, these 10 plus firms where placement is done by the CA classroom team. So this is the list of the firms we have spoken to, and I've also classified these firms as small, medium, and big. The big firms are having 10 plus partners. If you see Shreyas Global and M2K Associates are having 10 plus partners. Medium size are approximately 4 partners or so. That is Purushothaman, KRT and so. And I have also given the contact of Deloitte, guys. Deloitte is only if you have cleared in the first attempt. I have given the contact person's name, Abhishek. This time I spoke to him saying, I will make my students to contact you only if they have cleared in the first attempt. So please don't bombard him with your questions. But of course, yes, if you've cleared in the first attempt, you can WhatsApp him in this number referring to my name and Karthik sir's name, and definitely he will set up an interview for you. Now, with respect to these 10 firms, you can even go in person and you can refer to my name and Karthik sir's name. And yes, an interview will definitely be set for you. Definitely, after the interview, whether you do well or not is completely in your hands. But the first step of setting the interview, I can guarantee you that that will happen. Yes, guys, and with respect to these questions, whether you have to go for big four or mid-sized or small firm, how to apply to these companies, and after getting the acceptance form, how to select from all the companies which has selected you, how to make the resume in the first place, how to prepare for the interview, what are the questions that we'll ask. All the answers for these questions are given in the playlist here, guys. CA articleship series must watch before you go for articles. The resume and interview tricks, how to select your articleship firm, and articleship placement and guidance by CA Classroom. And these 4 yellow thumbnails that you can see are basically experiences by different people in different firms. Say in big four, how is the experience? In small firm, how is the experience? In medium firm, how is the experience? That is these yellow thumbnails, that is the experiences. Approximately 30 minutes if you are going to spend, you are going to get the answers for all these questions. I am going to leave that playlist link in the description box below, so please go through that. About the success meet, guys, it is time for us to celebrate and also meet, because most of the time, 100% of the time, you're either seeing me in your laptop or on your phone. It is time for us to meet. We are organizing a success meet on this 8th of November, guys, which is a Saturday. Please do come with your parents if you have benefited because of my class or Karthik sir's class or anybody's class in CA Classroom. Even if you're a YouTube student and if you've seen our videos predominantly and that has helped you to pass, the description box has the Google form for the success meet. You can fill in that Google form, guys, and yes, we will be meeting and we will have lots and lots of fun. Most importantly, guys, you have made it this time. You are moving on to the next level. I just want you to check on your friends who are not able to make it this time. Maybe something has gone wrong with them. Just a pat on their back. Did you eat well? Did you sleep well? Are you feeling better? Do you need any help? You can offer for help. You can check on them. This is just a small reminder for you to check on your friends who are not able to make it. And yes, guys, success meet 8th of November. I will definitely see you there. I'm waiting to see all of you there. Let us have fun together, guys. All the very best for your articles. All the very best for your interviews. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me or Karthik sir, whomever you're comfortable with. And yes, guys, ace your interview. All the best.